How to fix Android not receiving calls. Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to fix a very super common problem, Android device not receiving calls. So if your phone is not ringing or calls are not coming through, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First of all, in the top right corner you can look at your signal bars. So if it's low or zero, you can move up to a better location, or you can basically go ahead and turn off the airplane mode on and then again turn it off. And that should refresh your network connection. That is one thing that you can do. Apart from that, what we can do is we can just go over and turn off the do not disturb mode option. So go ahead and find do not disturb mode. If that option is turned on, you can just go over and tap on it in order to turn it off, and that should also do it. This is one of the most common reasons calls do not come through. And apart from that, you can check your SIM card as well. So if you do not see any network at the top of your screen, that means it's a network issue. So you can remove and reinsert your SIM. You can try the same in another phone. If it does not work, you can contact your carrier. Also, you can simply restart your phone. You can hold the power button for that and look out for the restart option. That should also fix the temporary glitches instantly. Also, go to the settings app on your device. And once you go to your settings, you can just go over, look out for the option called General Management. And inside General Management, tap on Reset. And then tap on Reset Network Settings and confirm it up. That will remove all the saved networks and Bluetooth devices. And that's it. If nothing else works, there may be a network issue. Your number might have restrictions. You can contact your mobile service provider for that. But this is how we fix Android not receiving calls. So you can follow at the steps and your calls should start working again. If this video helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.